This is Dixie of A Fool's Journey. I am here with your weekly tarot forecast for May 6th, 2013. Ta-da! So let's go. Today I've got the Gilded Tarot deck. This is by the same artist as the Legacy of the Divine deck. It is gorgeous. So that's what I'm going to be using for the weeklies for the month of May. Pretty darn awesome. So let's go. Let's see what we get for the week of May 6th, 2013. And, I've got the Ten of Wands. This is an attractive rendition, but it's a heavy card. People don't like to see it. It's not as bad as the Ten of Swords, but all right. I want to tell you that there are a lot of responsibilities. That this is an intense week coming up. That it's tiring. You know, there are a lot of things to be done. I don't think that any of this is really coming as a surprise to the people who are operating under this energy. I also think that, like tarot tens traditionally are, we are at the end of a cycle. We're talking about cleanup work. We're talking about final details. We are talking about everything that maybe has been let slide here and there and what at the other. It's like I'm seeing it in the same way as packing up your stuff when you're getting ready to move house and you're not going to be back to the old house and you need to make sure you get everything within the time allotted. So I think it's going to be a fairly intense, heavy week. Not without point though, okay, and not long-term kind of stuff, but an awful lot to get done. So do your best. Take care of yourself physically, okay, because that certainly makes this easier if you have people that can support you, even just emotionally. Call upon them, but be aware they may be operating under similar kind of circumstances too. So do what you can, take care of yourself, get your work done so you can move into next week and exhale. All right, that's my forecast for the week. Sorry, it's not perky. Hope it's helpful to you. Peace out from the goddess. Bye-bye. Alright, I don't have my crystal ball. I can make it without my crystal ball. You know what? I'm gonna get it.